Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best cupping kit is probably one of the most versatile and effective tools for at-home pain relief and muscle recovery, allowing you to experience the benefits of traditional cupping therapy without leaving your house. This kit provides a convenient way to target specific muscle groups, reduce inflammation, and promote circulation, making it an excellent addition to your wellness routine for managing everyday aches and pains or aiding in post-workout recuperation. It's designed for ease of use, ensuring that both beginners and experienced users can safely and effectively incorporate cupping into their self-care practices. Number 5. Advanced Edge Silicone Cupping Set. Experience the next level of cupping therapy with our advanced set. Our FlexiPure cups provide powerful suction with precise control, offering an advantage over traditional methods. This comprehensive kit includes 4 cups of varying sizes, ensuring optimal coverage for all body areas, muscles, and joints. It's perfect for myofascial release, lymphatic drainage, and muscle recovery. Crafted with exclusive FlexiPure silicone, these cups are free from harmful fillers like BPA, BPS, and PVC. Join over 1 million satisfied users worldwide, including professionals and athletes. Featuring our original Lure Blue design, the transparent color allows for easy placement and monitoring during therapy. It's the original design that set the standard in silicone cupping. Each set comes in a sleek, portable bag for easy storage and transport. Plus, gain access to a complete video library for efficient and safe cupping treatments. What we like? This set offers precise suction control with its FlexiPure silicone cups. If you are looking for a professional-grade silicone cupping experience with excellent visibility during use, this is a great choice. Its transparent blue design also adds a touch of aesthetic appeal to your therapy sessions. What people say. These silicone cups are durable, well-made, clean easy, hold up to oils, and transport well for therapists on the go. The package is right, 5 minutes of cupping equals 30 ml of deep tissue. Clients reported being a little more sore and experienced some detoxing type effects. During the sessions I noticed tightness decreasing in less time. They have really released a lot of tension I had built up due to stress and my body feels much more at ease. I have recently started to weight train more and my muscles were just too tight but the cups changed all of that. Number 4. ELERA Silicone Cupping Therapy Set. Experience professional-grade cupping therapy with our high-quality silicone cups. Trusted by healthcare providers for years, they offer durability and elasticity for effective treatment. Achieve your beauty and wellness goals with this versatile set. It's designed for firming, toning, slimming, and reducing the appearance of stretch marks and cellulite, offering superior results compared to manual massage. Our cups are made from clear, medical-grade silicone for excellent visibility and strong suction. They are durable, safe for your skin, and free from harmful additives, ensuring your health and well-being. Enhance your physical condition with the known benefits of cupping therapy. It can improve athletic performance, aid recovery, boost mobility, and relieve muscle and joint pain, making it a favorite among professionals and home users alike. Your satisfaction is our priority. This premium massage tool comes with exceptional customer support and a product replacement warranty, so our experts are always here to assist you. What we like? Crafted from medical-grade silicone, this set provides excellent durability and elasticity for effective therapy. If you prioritize long-term customer support and a clear view of the tissue during treatment, this option is ideal. It's designed for those seeking reliable and safe cupping for beauty, health, and pain relief. What people say. The cups are made of thick, durable glass that feels substantial and high quality. The kit includes a variety of cup sizes, allowing for targeted treatment on different body areas. The suction is strong and consistent, providing effective therapeutic benefits without being painful. Number 3. REVO Original 4-in-1 Smart Cupping Massager. Introducing the Original 4-in-1 Smart Cupping Massager. It's the first heated electric cupping device that combines heat, massage, red light therapy, and dynamic suction for a complete therapy experience. Experience a noticeable difference as it reduces muscle tension, knots, and pain. It also helps improve the appearance of cellulite and scar tissue in targeted areas, offering an ultimate at-home or on-the-go massage. This smart massager promotes circulation and helps draw out toxins, relieving your body of inflammation. Enjoy spa-quality cupping therapy conveniently anywhere, anytime. Take your at-home cupping to the next level by using 2 devices together. Achieve ultimate results with this electric cupping device for a superior scraping experience. We stand by our product with a 2-year replacement policy. At REVO, your satisfaction is our priority, and we're here to ensure you're happy with your smart cupping kit. For best results, clean and moisturize your skin before use, optionally with essential oils. Explore its 2 modes, dynamic breathing mode for pressure variation and gliding mode for smooth movement across the skin. What we like. This is the original 4-in-1 smart cupping massager, combining heat, massage, red light therapy, and dynamic suction. If you're seeking an advanced, multifunctional device for targeted pain relief and skin tightening, this product is for you. Its smart features make it perfect for those who want a high-tech, convenient cupping experience at home or on the go. What people say. The adjustable suction and heat settings make it customizable for different areas and comfort levels, and I love that I can control the intensity depending on how sore I am. The heat feature is especially soothing and helps loosen tight muscles quickly. It's also compact and rechargeable, which makes it convenient to store and travel with. Works great for my shoulder, traps, and chest recovery. This has also been a relief from my knee pain due chondromalacia patella. Number 2. 24-piece massage cupping set with pump. Discover the benefits of cupping therapy, an ancient practice for modern wellness. Our set offers a safer and more convenient way to experience its effects. Crafted from high-grade plastic, this set provides superior suction and control. It's designed for ease of use and a safer therapeutic experience. Effectively targets cellulite, back pain, and more with this versatile massage tool. It's perfect for promoting body wellness and physical therapy. Take your wellness routine anywhere. This cupping set is engineered to be easily portable and simple to operate, ensuring convenience on the go. Embrace the time-tested techniques of Chinese and Egyptian massage. This set brings the power of traditional cupping into your home. What we like. This cupping set utilizes high-grade plastic cups with a pump for superior suction and control. If you prefer a safer, fire-free alternative to traditional cupping and value ease of use and portability, this set is an excellent option. It's designed for convenient application and effective massage therapy. What people say. I love the U-shaped ones because they fit nicely on the shoulder blade area and the knees without losing suction. My husband says he feels relief in his knees after using these along with his lower back. The cups are a high premium plastic which seems shatter resistant. Number 1. Cupping therapy set, 33 pieces. Discover a revolutionary way to alleviate muscle tension and promote recovery. This comprehensive set offers a modern approach to therapeutic massage. Unpack a complete kit designed for your wellness journey. It includes numerous cups, magnetic points, an extension tube, a pump, and a gua sha tool. Enjoy the convenience of a long extension tube for easy self-application. The durable pump and specially designed cups ensure a comfortable and effective experience. Embrace a modern, fire-free cupping method for relaxation and rejuvenation. Simply apply the cups to create a gentle vacuum, perfect for reducing stress and boosting circulation. Find relief for various aches and pains, from your back to your legs. It helps to loosen tight muscles, improve blood flow, and promote overall relaxation. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty. Feel confident in your purchase, knowing professional support is available if needed. What we like. This comprehensive 33-piece set includes magnetic massage points and specialized U-shaped cups for enhanced therapy. If you're looking for a versatile and value-packed kit for extensive pain relief and circulation boosting, this is the one. The inclusion of magnetic points and unique cup shapes makes it suitable for targeting specific areas like elbows and knees. What people say. The cups take only a few minutes to use for pain relief that lasts and doesn't have any heavy pain med side effects. The cups do leave a red spot on the skin, but it doesn't last long. I love the good quality heavy plastic of the cups and the pump works well. Good variety of sizes. Lots of the largest and mid-size cups and fewer of the smaller ones down to about a 1-inch cup. They do hold suction well, they are smooth and there are no seams. Seams can be a problem on the cheaper sets. For a first-time user it is very user-friendly, and works great. Also want to point out that when we received them one of the cups had a broken seal. Contacted them and they sent out a replacement right away. Great product, and great customer service. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.